Hello champs. So in last class we have learned about cube and cuboid, and we have seen how we can design cube and cuboid in a Google Sketchup. In this class we are going to learn about cylinder. What is a cylinder? What all the parts of that cylinder? Okay, and how we can create the cylinder shape in the Google Sketchup. So let's see what is a cylinder. So cylinder has a curved edge and curved faces and the flat faces. So for example, you have seen at your home a water jug, that is one of the cylindrical shape. Okay, jars. So there are many examples of cylinder. Come on to the Google Sketchup and see how we can create a cylinder. Let's create a new project. Now to create a cylinder, we are going to create a circle. Okay, this is a circle. Now we are going to use push and pull tool to make it pull. Now you can see this is a cylinder. Okay. Now this one is called curved face. This is the curved edge and this is a flat face. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Now it's your turn to create a cylinder. Bye bye.